take off here.
Save a sec.
Using unmanned aerial systems, UAS, for the inspection of electrical power transmission lines has the potential to reduce hazards to line workers while providing higher quality information for evaluations at a lower cost. On June 10th and 11th, 2014, EPRI organized a field test with 6 different UAS vendor operators hosted by Hydro One at the Kleinberg Training Center in Toronto, Canada. The tests were performed on unenergized test lines and only addressed local structure inspection. The goals of the field test were to illustrate the value of applying this emerging technology, assess the ability of different UAS technologies, identify modifications, identify important application and safety considerations, form the basis for the parameters when procuring UAS technologies or services. The test field at Kleinberg Training Center was prepared so that the vendor operators would be able to present different approaches to the challenges of transmission line inspection. The test field included a 5-tower test course with various flaws and defects staged throughout for the UASs to locate and document using high-resolution still pictures. Key takeaways of the UAS field test at Hydro One's Kleinberg Training Center. Every one of the UAS vendors successfully navigated the structures to obtain the necessary data. Some UASs adapted to the weather, both wind and rain, better than others. The UAS and ground control station size is important for health and safety reasons. Carrying or transporting bulky or heavy equipment in the field can lead to lifting and other injuries. The extent of the training and experience of the line inspector is critical for a successful inspection for identifying line faults consistently and accurately. Next steps. Evaluate other sensing technologies such as infrared and UV under energized conditions. Subsequent field tests are needed to evaluate the ability of UAS systems to withstand electric and magnetic fields, as well as interference from arcing, corona, and system transients, and to assess the flashover concerns that may exist under steady state and transient conditions. EPRI is planning to work with participating utilities to continue the process of evaluating unmanned aerial systems for use for the inspection of overhead transmission line assets.